Hello. Welcome back to England Friends Chat. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Hi, everyone. I am Ryan.
And I am Emma. We are here to help you practice English in a slow, easy way.
If you are new here, welcome to our group of friends. Please click that subscribe button and give us a like. It helps us make more videos for you.
Yes, please join our chat. So, Ryan, how are you feeling today?
I am feeling very relaxed today, Emma. Thank you for asking. It is a rainy day outside, and I love the sound of the rain.
Oh, me too. Rain makes me feel calm. Did you do anything special this morning?
Just a small thing. I sat by the window with a hot tea and read my book. It was very quiet and peaceful.
That sounds lovely. A hot tea and a book is a perfect start to the day.
It really is. And you, Emma? How is your day?
My day is wonderful because we have a very interesting topic to talk about.
Oh, yes, I am excited about this one. What is our topic today?
Today, we are going to talk about how to stop feeling awkward in conversations.
Ooh, that is a big topic. Awkward. That is a difficult word.
It is. But don't worry, we will learn how to feel happy and confident when talking to people.
So, Emma, before we start, I must ask, what does awkward actually mean?
That is a great question, Ryan. Awkward is an adjective. It means you feel uncomfortable or a little strange in a social situation.
Uncomfortable. Like, my shoes are too small?
Well, yes, that is physically uncomfortable, but awkward is a feeling in your mind. It is when you don't know what to say, or you worry that you look silly.
Ah, I understand. Like when you say hello to someone but they do not hear you?
Exactly. And then you stand there and you feel awkward.
Yes, I hate that feeling. I feel it in my stomach. It feels tight.
We all feel it sometimes. It is very normal. Do you have a story about feeling awkward, Ryan?
Oh, I have many stories, but I remember one specifically. Last week, I was in the elevator.
An elevator. That is a classic place for awkward moments.
Yes, I was in the elevator with a neighbor. I did not know his name. We stood there for 30 seconds.
30 seconds can feel like a very long time in an elevator.
It felt like 1 hour. It was completely silent. I looked at the floor. He looked at the ceiling. I wanted to say something, but I didn't know what.
That is the perfect definition of an awkward silence. You wanted to speak, but you were afraid.
Yes, I was afraid I would say something stupid. So I said nothing. And when the door opened, I ran out.
You ran away. Oh, Ryan, that is a funny story, but I understand the feeling. You felt pressure.
Yes, pressure. So, Emma, you are the expert. How can I stop feeling this way? How can I stop being awkward in the elevator?
I have some tips for you. The first tip is very simple. Ask a small, safe question.
A safe question? What is a safe question?
A safe question is about something you both can see or feel right now. For example, the weather.
The weather. Is that not boring?
Maybe a little, but it is safe. Everyone experiences the weather. In the elevator, you could say, "It is very cold outside today, isn't it?"
It is very cold outside today. That is easy.
Yes, and your neighbor will probably say, "Yes, it is freezing." And suddenly, the awkward feeling is gone.
Because we are talking.
Exactly. Once you start talking, the awkwardness disappears. You broke the ice.
Broke the ice. I like that phrase. So, tip number 1, ask a simple question about the situation.
Correct. Now, do you want tip number 2?
Yes, please. I need all the tips.
Tip number 2 is be a good listener.
A listener? But I thought I needed to talk to stop the silence.
Not always. Sometimes we feel awkward because we are thinking too much about ourselves. We think, what do I say next? Do I look cool? Is my hair okay?
That is true. I am always thinking about my next sentence.
If you stop thinking about yourself and just listen to the other person, the pressure goes away. You become curious.
Curious. That means I want to know more about them?
Yes. If you are curious, you are not awkward. For example, at a party, if you feel shy, look at the other person. Look at their face. Ask yourself, I wonder where they are from.
And then I can ask them?
Yes, you ask, where are you from? And then this is the important part. You really listen to the answer.
So I focus on them, not on me.
Perfect. When you focus on other people, you forget to be nervous.
That is very helpful advice. I will try to be more curious.
I have another tip. This one is my favorite. It is about silence.
Silence. But silence is the problem. Silence is awkward.
No, Ryan. Silence is only awkward if you think it is awkward.
What do you mean?
Sometimes a pause is nice. It is okay to be quiet for a moment. You do not need to fill every second with noise.
Really?
Really, imagine you are with a friend. You would talk for a bit, and then you stop. If you smile and look relaxed, the silence is comfortable.
Comfortable silence. That sounds nice.
It is. If you panic and try to talk too fast, then it becomes awkward. So my tip is breathe.
Breathe. Just breathe?
Yes. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Smile. If you are calm, the other person will be calm too.
I see. So, if I am in the elevator again and I don't know what to say, I can just stand there, smile, and breathe?
Yes. If you smile and look friendly, it is not awkward. It is just two people sharing a ride.
I like that. Being friendly is more important than being smart.
That is beautiful, Ryan. Yes, being friendly is the most important thing.
Okay, I have a question. What if I say something wrong? What if I make a mistake in English and I feel embarrassed?
Oh, that is a big fear for many of our viewers. But guess what?
What?
Everyone makes mistakes. Even me.
Even you? But your English is perfect.
No, nobody is perfect. Sometimes I forget a word. Sometimes I trip over my words. And it is okay.
So, if I make a mistake, I shouldn't feel awkward?
No, you can just laugh. If you laugh at your mistake, it shows you are confident. You can say, oh, my English is tired today.
My English is tired today. I love that. It is funny and honest.
Honesty is very good for stopping awkwardness. If you're nervous, you can even say, I am a little nervous.
Really? You can say that?
Yes. If you say, I'm sorry, I am a little shy in English, the other person will usually be very kind. They will want to help you.
That makes sense. People are usually nice.
They are, so do not be afraid of mistakes. They are part of learning.
This makes me feel much better, Emma. I feel relieved.
Relieved? That is a good word. What does relieved mean?
It means the bad feeling is gone. You feel happy because the worry stopped.
Yes, I feel relieved. I don't need to be perfect in conversations. I just need to be curious, friendly, and calm.
Exactly. And remember one last thing. The other person might be nervous too.
That is true. Maybe my neighbor in the elevator was thinking, oh no, Ryan is here. What do I say to him?
Ha 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 ha, probably. We are all in the same boat. We are all humans trying to connect.
Ryan, we learned some fantastic words today. I think we should review them for our friends watching.
I agree. Repetition is key. Let's look at the words again.
The first word was, of course, awkward.
Awkward. A-W-K-W-A-R-D. It means feeling uncomfortable, strange, or shy in a social situation.
Example, I felt awkward because I forgot his name.
Great example. The next word is uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable. It means not relaxed, physically or mentally not at ease.
Example. The silence in the room made me feel uncomfortable.
Next, we have curious.
Curious. It means you want to learn or know something.
Example, I was curious about her job, so I asked a question.
Being curious is a superpower for conversations.
It is. And the next phrase is break the ice.
Break the ice. It means to say or do something to relieve tension or start a conversation.
Example, he told a joke to break the ice.
And our last word was relieved.
Relieved. Feeling happy because a worry is gone.
Example, I felt relieved when the conversation went well.
Perfect. Now, Ryan, let's play a small game to practice.
I love games. What are we playing?
We will play What Would You Say? I will give you an awkward situation, and you must tell me a simple sentence to break the ice.
Okay, I am ready. Challenge me.
Situation number 1, you are waiting for the bus. The bus is late. A person is standing next to you. It is silent. What would you say?
Okay. I would smile and say, the bus is always late on Mondays, isn't it?
That is perfect. It is a shared complaint. Everyone hates a late bus. It connects you.
Okay, give me another one.
Situation number 2, you are at a coffee shop. You spill a little sugar on the table. Someone sees you. It is awkward.
Oh, I am clumsy, so this happens a lot. I would laugh and say, oops, I am making a mess today.
Excellent. You admitted the mistake and laughed. That makes the other person smile too. No more awkwardness.
This is fun. It is about not taking life too seriously.
Exactly. One more. Situation number 3. You see someone wearing a beautiful coat. You want to talk to them?
This is easy. I would use a compliment. I would say, I love your coat. That color is amazing.
Perfect. A compliment is the best way to start a chat. Everyone loves a compliment.
And it makes them feel good. It is a win-win.
You are very good at this, Ryan. You are an expert now.
Ha 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 ha. Maybe not an expert, but I feel more confident.
Well, we have talked for a long time today. It was a lovely conversation.
It was. I learned a lot. I feel ready to go out and talk to people, even in the elevator.
That makes me happy. So let's wrap up. Today we learned that feeling awkward is normal.
Yes, and we learned to ask safe questions, to be curious, and that silence is okay.
And most importantly, to be friendly and kind to yourself.
We hope this helps you, our friends, feel stronger in your English conversations.
Now it is time for the question of the day.
Yes, we love reading your answers.
Today's question is, what is a safe question you like to ask to start a conversation?
Ooh, good question.
For example, do you ask about the weather? Do you ask about food? Do you ask about the weekend?
Please write your favorite question in the comments below.
You can write, I like to ask, do you like coffee? Or simply, I ask about the rain.
We will read every comment. It is like a conversation with us.
And remember, if you make a mistake in your comment, it is okay. We're just happy you are practicing.
Yes, we are proud of you.
Thank you so much for watching English Friends Chat.
If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next check.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and don't be afraid to break the ice.
See you next time, friends.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.